This video I will show you step by step how you can see a full price history of an item on Amazon. So step number one, you need to head over to your Amazon, and then from here you want to select the product on which you want to see the price history for. So for example, I will just click on this graphics card here, which will then pull the graphics card up. Now what you want to do is go over to the product page, and then right where it says the price here, so this is 61999, and then you will now see a button under this for price history. Now this is a new update for Amazon, so not everyone will have this right away, but they will be rolling this out to everyone over the next couple of days and coming weeks. So you can click on price history here, and then what you will get is you will get this AI bot that will then bring up all the price history over the last 30 days, 90 days, and as you can see here, if you go over to the price chart, you'll see the price fluctuations of this specific product. So as you can see here, it went down as low as 540 and currently it's up at 620. So you would then be able to see all the price history of a given product on Amazon.